Good morning, guys. What is going on? Welcome to Friday episode of the Nasdaq trading. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are feeling good today. And let's see what the market will bring. All right, right now I have not gotten a chance to do my analysis. I was a little bit late to the party today. Sometimes that's okay. Sometimes it's not. Today looks like we had a big dump off, which could have really done well for us. Let's see. Our overnight highs are right here. And we have some lows right here. Looks like it's going to be a good area. Right now we just pierced it. Let me see if those were the... actually, those were not the overnight lows. Overnight lows are here. That was just an important area. And let's see if we can mark this out here. No, actually, they were the overnight lows. Okay. Are they? No, they're not. Let's see here. 20th. Daily open was right here. Yeah, so those were the overnight lows. Got it. All right, so we're good here. We got our overnight lows set. We just pierced that. 8:30 gave us the overnight highs. Right now the market is a little undecided whether it wants to continue going lower on the overnight lows or whether it's seen enough. I personally don't know yet. It's too early to call. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Hermana. Hope you guys are feeling well today. All right, let's see. See what else we've got here. We're going to zoom out. Okay, this is yesterday's price action. Wow, huge absorption in here in these two candles. Huge absorption. Big spike in CVD to the downside. Oh, look at this big green candle. They absorbed that whole thing. Wow, that's big, strong moving. Big movement there. All right, taking a look at our 3-minute. Let's see what's going on in the more local time frame. All right, looks like we are trying to catch a rebound from here. Let's see how much that drop was. Looks like that drop gave us 143 points. Not bad. Not bad at all. Don't know if I'll do any trading today, guys. I might just do some paper trading. Don't know if I'm gonna take any risks today. Fridays are usually a little crazy. Looks like the S&P is doing the same thing. Gold is hovering around 29.47. We got as high as 29.73 yesterday. I think a lot of the speculation on gold has been with the Fort Knox deal, because silver is not moving the same as gold. Gold is having a much bigger pump than silver is. News now. Larry Hudo says news now, and Larry, we got Larry squared here. Larry Metz says good morning. What's up, Larry? Have Larry's in the house. I'm just missing cousin Larry now. Our news was at 8:30. I believe the news was at 8:30. Let's see today's news. Oh no, news is at 9:45. No, that was Canadian news. Okay, 9:45 gives us the flash manufacturing, and that was here. That was here. Right here, 9:45. So flash manufacturing is in. The PMI is 51.6, expected 51.3, and the flash services PMI was 49.7, expected 53. So a bit of a mixed bag here, and don't think that's going to move the markets too much. As you can see, it wasn't the biggest move. All right, so right now we're just going to sit tight and wait here, see if we see any signals for anything. At the moment, I don't like the longs. I'm not in love with the longs. not yet. And I'm not really in love with the shorts yet either. We do have this area here that could get tested before moving back down. Possible liquidity grab here. We could also see a move back down here to retest the overnight lows, or we can get down as far as 22. Yesterday we had a low of 21,950. 21,950. We can retest those lows for sure. We can retest those lows, or we might even retest some. We might get down there. We also have a point of control here at 22,057. This could be another area to contend with. We also have a 618 pitchfork here. So we'll see. We'll see if either one of those will work out for us. Okay, she's moving back down pretty hard. Giving us a little bit of a pattern move here. Sometimes this does set up a reversal, so this area here could have a little bit of potential for a move back up. We'll see. We will see here. So far the move has been pretty dramatic this morning. A little more than what you would have expected. It looks like we're making a bigger move to the downside here. I think we'll go lower. This is looking pretty rough. The S&P is actually looking even worse. S&P has a bigger move to the downside. Yeah, S&P actually looks a lot worse. S&P looks like it is trying to continue further down. Yeah, that was pretty bad. NQ actually does not look that bad yet. Okay. So far we have a little bit of a move here that I'm not in love with. I don't love this move just yet. I think we can possibly still push down further. From what I'm seeing on Delta, we did make a bigger push down than we did here. This, for me, a lot of times signals that we could have this be the anchor. This could be the anchor bar here, and we can get a little bit more of a push down. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'll wait for. Unless I see something really good here. We'll be patient. Patience is key. We'll start our walk. Green Papaya, what's up, brother? By the way, guys, Green Papaya uploaded some pictures that I didn't share with you guys yesterday. I want to do that now. Show you guys the pictures that he uploaded. Here, check this out, guys. If you can. If you're trading, I understand. All right, this is his picture of a tiger shark right in his little his surfing grounds. That's pretty crazy. Thought that was pretty cool. Here's the sugar mill There wasn't Fast and the Furious. He caught a lot of good drone shots here. That's pretty awesome. I think Hawaii is known for its sugar. And cool little sea turtle. Look at that water, man. That water is so clear. It's scary clear. And I'm not sure what kind of whale this is, but here's a whale and her calf. Man, I think I'd freak out if I saw that. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful. Nature at its best. Wow, that's so beautiful. Yeah, these are great. These are really something else. Unbelievable. Look at the coastline, guys. Look at that. That is really nice. Oh, you live in paradise, man, for sure. You really do. Thank you, Green Papaya. If you guys aren't members of the Discord just yet, I'll go ahead and post that in our chat here. Yeah, I'll come for a vacation. That's a humpback? That's awesome, man. It's beautiful. Yeah, that's not even beautiful. There's no words for it. All right, looks like where's the liquidity stacked at, Papaya? I see 150 has a lot of orders. 150 has a lot of orders right now. Is the market going to gravitate to 150? Let's sit tight, guys, and be patient. You know, maybe I'll take a paper trade, but I don't see anything I trust. I don't see anything I trust yet. Did all right yesterday, trying to keep the streak alive. Like I said, I might not do any real trading today, maybe just some paper trades. But if I see something I really, really like, I'll maybe take a small eval trade. Yesterday we did really good on our eval. We closed our trade at I think 77 or 80 points in profit. That last trade I had on. We rode that one for a long time. That was like an hour's worth. That was like an hour trade. That's what I've been trying to work on, is my patience and holding them. Yeah, careful here, guys. I think she will try to head down lower. I've got the 2260 in mind, and below that we have yesterday's low. Saw a couple posts yesterday. Top Step has already sent out some denials, some payment denials. Obviously, I don't know the entire context of why people got denied, but they're starting to roll out. So this is going to get really interesting. I might take a live trade account today. I mean, a live account trade. Might do that. Not yet, though. I'm just setting it up right now. Looks to me like she might be collecting some orders in here right now. patience is so important in this game, guys. It's even more important. I think patience is even more important sometimes than risk management, because if you have poor patience, your risk management could be in play at all times when it's not the right time. All that means is your stop's going to get hit way more times. But being patient, waiting for the right setup that you know is the one you would take 9 out of 10 times, I think that's when it really matters. Papaya, did you catch that short this morning? You caught the short yesterday. I wonder if you did the replay again today. Oh, no trade day for you? Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling the same way. Kind of feeling the same way. S&P is kind of feeling it right now. Whoa, she is a dumping. She is almost at yesterday's low. She's almost at 6103. Looks like the Nasdaq is doing a little better, holding its own. Look at that gnarly Nasdaq, man. A gnarly Nasdaq. She is a mover. A mover and a shaker. So far, what I see is just a more of a possible push down. The ES is actually looking a little bit more, a little more possible for the ES to make a reversal, from what I'm seeing. The NQ hasn't really set up the same way yet. Strange, very strange, very weird here. Yeah, the ES is still trying to make a push down to 103. Yesterday's low. Sometimes they do leave that behind. It's not a necessary mandate that they do it, but it's possible. Yeah, this could be a possible pop here into the 160s. Looks like it is setting up for that, possibly. All right. I'm not in love with anything I see just yet. The 12-minute did bring us down to this area here of the 618 on the pitchfork. The 60 level that I outlined in here. So far, so good. Not sure if it'll hold for eternity, but it was enough to catch maybe a 10-20 point scalp off of. Right now we're trying to fight off this trend. Well, I don't have two overnight lows. So overnight lows. Sorry about that. Have that twice. Overnight lows are here. Okay. 104 was our overnight low. That's what it looks like. Okay. All right. All right, this 104 area could act as resistance right now as the market is trying to push back up. We'll see if it can get past that. If not, we are gonna roll over pretty hard. What's up, Makaya? Good to see you, brother. Still waiting for a bit of a setup here. Not sure if this is gonna be the setup. I don't know. Don't really think so. I'd like to wait for a better setup. I think we are gonna drop a little bit more. We could come up first though, but I do think a drop is coming. Yesterday was pretty good, man. I had a green across the board yesterday. I was before the stream ended. When I closed the stream, I closed out all my trades, and I ended up making money on my live account, which was negative up until then. I made 5% on my live account, and we did green on our funded account with Tradefy, and we did really good on our eval yesterday. We traded 2 minis for about 77 or 80 points right before we closed, so we did pretty good. Our eval is $300, $315 away from passing, so we're gonna look for a base hit on that one, see if we can get it. Got my walking pad. Ah, that's what's up, Larry. I'm proud of you, brother. What speed do you have it on? Oh, 1.0. That's good, man. That's a good speed. Oh, Makai, you just subbed, man. Took you long enough, brother. Took you long enough. Okay. All right, she's still pushing down. Not looking so hot. You're up about 10K across all your accounts this week, so I'm light to close out the week. You're up about 10K across all your accounts this week, so I'm light to close out the week. I don't know what you mean by you're light. Oh, you're just trading light. Oh, you're trading light today. I got you. Oh, you're just light today. Got it. Yeah. We're having a very heavy market here. It looks like the market does not want to push it any higher, at the moment at least. Or maybe she'll retest this wick here. It's more probable. She doesn't want to squeeze down to yesterday's low here on the ES, it looks like. The longs do kind of appear to be setting up right now. Just it's hard to see if that's actually what it wants. So careful. Careful, because she will set up a bull trap here as well. Looks like the ES is trying to break out. NQ is still lagging a bit. Let's see if we can get her to go. So she'll push into the overnight lows. She's trying. She's trying here. Man, we're $100 short. We're $100 short. No good. What's up, Ghost Trader? Took a $1,500 loss yesterday. Had a family emergency, so could not watch charts at the grandmother's. Was rushed to the hospital. So is being watched closely by doctor. Told her family. Wow, man, I'm so sorry to hear that, brother. We have less than 6 months with her. Woo. Oh, man. You're bullish on the Nasdaq this morning, personally? Good for you, brother. Man, I'm so sorry. Ghost Trader. Oh, man, I'm so sorry to hear that, brother. I know the most important thing in life is family, brother. I'm so sorry that your family's going through that for you. I'll keep you in my prayers for sure. Oh, man. All right, we're having a little bit of a rough patch here at the overnight lows. Yeah, man, give her some love for sure. All right. Market is hovering here at the overnight lows, guys. Let's see if she has what it takes to break out some. We had a double tap of that 2250 level. On the 3-minute at least. Pivot point right here at 107 also. Yeah. Pivot point, and it's an overnight low. Look at that. What are the odds? Just woke up. What caused the drop? Be honest with you, I got onto the charts late myself. I didn't start the stream until 9:40. So I don't know what caused it. probably market makers manipulating. It's probably what I would say because the news didn't come out till 9:45. Makai says, at LAFTA, I've been trading consistently for a little over 4 years. Started seeing 10K month profits since September 24th. Makai, are you the type of person? Would you be up for showing us your strategy on Discord, where you could share a screen? I know that Papaya said he was down to do that as well. I'd like to see if maybe I can schedule you guys to maybe show us your one-on-ones, like 101s, and what your strategies and your setups are. If you wouldn't mind, I would love that, brother. We would all love that. Same goes to anybody else who would be willing to do that. Larry says, bottom of the 5-minute candle also. I should have been short. The overnight lows, yeah, could be. That was an absorption level here as well. If you see this purple candle here, this signified that there were present sellers here. As you see all these wicks, there were sellers here, maybe an iceberg order, trying to hold this price down here. So once we made a run back into it, it took effect again and is currently pushing that price down. All right, now I'm starting to see something I like here. 12 minutes starting to give us something that we might be able to work with. We're getting this little bit of structure here. Might be getting something here on here as well. It looks promising. I'm going to be a little more patient here and just wait for something better. There's a lot of manipulation going on right now on this level. One point is 20. All right, 7 points. 18. Four times 7 is 32, right? All right, what is she doing here? 28, what am I talking about? 32. Looking bottomy, says Larry. I honestly don't have much of a strategy, says Micaiah. I mostly scalp and I mostly look at bearish moves. I do a lot of DCA. If I talked on Discord, I'd probably be at night. Can't do it from work. Okay, that's cool. I look at a lot of things like the 1348 EMAs, 200 EMAs, MACD, looking for divergences. I'm thinking divs, is that what we're talking about? VWAP, and I chart out of my own supply and demand zones. I cross-reference NQ, ES, YM for understanding of intraday trends. Good? That's great. I like it. I like the strategy. Sure, man. Just tell me what day and time you can do it. I don't know what the heck that is. All right. So she's still looking kind of heavy here. Still looking a bit heavy. Master Blaster using his company PC. How's the weather in California today, Laughter? You telling me it was cold last week. It's getting kind of cold in Florida again. Thought the cold was over with, but I guess not. Warming up this week? No, that's good, dude. Nothing like that good California weather. Yeah, she's testing the bottom of that wick for sure. I really do have a feeling the ES wants to come back and grab yesterday's low at 104. She may not have the strength to do it right now, but she could come back for it. So I'm just going to sit tight and be patient on that. Right now, it is still kind of doing the dance there at 109, 110, as you can see. We'll be patient. NQ looks like it's the stronger of the two today. She is breaking through. Congrats to anyone holding shorts. Let's see if this candle ends up being stronger than the last. Motion Capital, what's up? Loving the action? Yeah, man, this action's pretty good. What is the ATR today? I didn't even get a chance to look. ATR today, woo, man, look at that, 29. That's pretty thick. That's really thick. Ooh, man. All right, she's gonna tap that yesterday's low here. ES is. Looks like the NQ might be wanting to reach for that 22,000 level. Cobra Max says, company got to give perks if you want a good employee. That's for sure. I just joined your Discord. Wednesday or Thursday nights around 8 to 8:30 is best. Okay. Would be nice to just talk to other folks about trading since no one in my circle understands it. Makai, on Wednesday at 8 Eastern, would be good because we're just going to be finishing up our Bible study. So you can come in there around that time and we could just, we'll have a group of guys already there. So that'll be perfect. So do you want to do next Wednesday at 8? 22,000 has a lot of liquidity, says Papaya. Yeah, 22,000 does. It looks like the sellers are starting to step in again. Yeah, I see that. All right, that's cool, brother. You're also welcome to join the Bible study if you want to. The link for that is down below in the description. Anybody that wants to join the Bible study group, we're going to do our first one next Wednesday evening. So if you guys are down, please just sign up using the link down below. All right. Ooh, she's a dumping. She's a dumping. The Bible study, I sent the message out last night, guys. The Bible study is going to be at 7 p.m. next Wednesday, Eastern time. So green papaya for you. I have no idea what time that is. It's probably something like 2 p.m. I know you might be at work. It might be kind of rough for you. But I'm trying to accommodate as many time zones as possible. I'm on Florida. So I'm Eastern. I'm Eastern time. It's 5:25 right now for you? Yeah, right now it's 10:25 for me. So we're 5 hours apart. So it's like 2 p.m. for you. My wife and I do Bible study on Wednesdays, but only once a month. Might be a tad later than 8 p.m. since I'm putting the kids to bed, but it should make it without any issue. Okay. Well, just keep me posted, brother. Send me a message on Discord. Just keep me posted. All right, I think we passed our combine. Yeah, we just passed our combine. Check it out, guys. We just passed our combine. Well, and this is not a combine. This is a take profit trader. We just passed with this little push to the upside, a little 7-point move. And we're at $53 and $20. So we accomplished our goal for today. Even though that was probably not the right timing, I did figure that we'd have at least a little 5 to 7 point pump, and that's all I needed. So this is a monumentous moment for me because I've never passed a take profit trader account. And I think that I've met all the requirements. I think with take profit trader, you got to trade the account for 5 days or something like that. So I think I'm good. I think I'm good here. So hooray, 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 hooray. God is good. And Jarek, what's up, brother? He said, Jerry says, I just joined the Discord yesterday. Well, good, brother. We're glad to have you there. Really are. We really are glad to have you there. Let me log into my Take Profit Trader and see if I have met the requirements. I don't know if it's updated. It probably doesn't update to the end of the day. Let's see. 4 out of 5 days. Yeah, today will be the 5th day. Reach your profit target of 3,000. Your best day can't be more than 50% of your total profit. Oh, that sucks. They have a 50% consistency rule. Oh, that is horrible. That is just despicable. So I need to keep trading. There's a 50% consistency rule. Ay, ay, ay. So I need to make 48.51. So I gotta hit, oh, that sucks. I gotta hit 1800 to pass this account. Oh my Lord. Talk about not easy, man. Not easy. That is not easy. 950, not 150. Well, terrible. Terrible news for me. All right, so we're going to try to keep trading this eval and see if we can make 1,800 bucks today somehow. Maybe not all 1,800 today, but maybe we hit, maybe at least 900 or something. Oh, they are cruel. They are definitely cruel individuals. Yeah, take profit trader evals are hard to pass, man. It's almost like a whole full trading challenge. Oh, yeah. I did not know they had a consistency rule on their evals. Did you guys know that? I did not know that. Free money for bears today, says Laughter. No, not Top Step. Top Step has a 50% consistency rule as well. But Take Profit Trader has a 50% consistency rule. I did not know that. That's pretty rough. Yeah, you haven't used them? Yeah, that's pretty rough. So we got yesterday's low sitting at around 21,958, something like that, 960. Market could still want to go down there, and for the ES, it has reached a pretty good level. We do have a very heavy sell-off today, though. Very heavy. This is catching knife territory. Done for the day, says Micaiah, up 25.11 across accounts for the day. Are you copy trading? Market just kept giving me money. Are you copy trading or are you trading them individually? Wow, she is pushing hard here, gentlemen. Elon's $5,000 check. Everyone wants to know, what are you going to do with it? Buy more evals. Buy more evals. Potential here on this move. Okay, she's moving kind of nice now. I did take a long from here. I did take a partial off of it already. We got one runner. See how long we can leave her on for. Good luck at these levels, guys, because the bears are relentless this morning. She may come down and rip more stops. When they audit the Congress, maybe 10K checks. Yeah, when they audit Nancy Pelosi. For sure. Yeah, she's not done ripping. She's not done ripping. She still wants to rip more faces off. Look at her go. Look at her go. Yeah, it's going to be a tough one to catch here. Could be a tough one to catch. We'll see. Let's see if she's got some fight in her here. Be nice to see if she got some fight. But if she doesn't, it'll be pretty sad. Let's see if everything's going to be all right. We need to see some volume really step in here for the bulls. Are you currently in a trade, says Jarek? Yeah, I am. I took that long from here. I took a partial out, and I'm still in one now. This is my current trade right now. Let's see if you can see. Can you guys see? Oh, there it is. It's my current trade right now. I'm gonna leave this one run if I can. We're gonna try our hardest. We're gonna try our darndest to let her run. Right now she's still kind of giving a hard time here. If we get stopped, we'll look for another entry, but at the moment I have a little faith in her. I don't know what'll happen, but we'll see. I see what you did. Oh, okay. I hope you did. I can't believe Take Profit Trader played me out like that. I got to make another $1,800 on top of $3,000. I didn't know that, but there's a little bit of a trap here that I noticed. Trap here first, obviously. Look for the bigger trap first. Look for the smaller trap second. So I found it here. So I'm letting it play out. I hope it plays out. I hope it plays out. If it doesn't play out, then we're screwed. Hope we get a little move off of it. Looks like we're not. Might get stopped here. Still good. I'm still good. Yeah, first few candles are always the hardest. First few candles are always the hardest. I can't guarantee what she's gonna do, but she is doing something. Looking for liquidity or something. Getting pushed down pretty heavy. Let's see if the buyers can step in here, take over. Yeah, looks like she doesn't have the strength yet. Might still be too early to this move, maybe. Let's see if buyers can step in hard. Still nothing. Still nothing. Alright, we're back to square one maybe. If we get stopped here. Unless buyers step in big. Come on, baby. Come on, buyers, where you at? Where you at, buyers? A little push here. Nothing yet. All right, we got buyers absorbing sellers currently, but that could lead to exhaustion. That's why we always have a stop in place. She's still a bit heavy. Still a bit heavy. Buyers are still not stepping in. It looks like the stops are coming in. Oh, they're going for stops. Are they going for the stops? Are they going to do it? Looks like they are. They're pushing way too hard here. They're pushing way too hard. Yeah, stopped out. Stopped out currently right now, gentlemen. Let's see what happens next. We'll be patient, see if they want to go lower. Alright, she's dipping lower. We're still safe. We're out of our trade. She looks like she's reaching for yesterday's low here. That's an obvious target. Okay. Yeah, that was a big push down. They really pushed this thing down hard here. Really pushed this thing down heavy. Okay, we'll be patient here and wait for a setup. It looks like they're really trying to go for much lower prices today. Let's check out the 30-minute, see what that looks like. It's pretty rough. Alright, that had some potential, but it's a lot of sell pressure here. A lot of sell pressure. Alright, so we've recovered a good amount so far here. We did hit yesterday's low. Maybe that's all the market wanted. Maybe you want some more. Alright, let's see if she recovers this whole candle. Thinking it since this is the biggest candle of the day, we wait for the anchor, and then we wait for the breakout here, something like this, something like that. Take care, Makaya. All right, so be patient here. We're still green on the day on our eval, but we just took like a 10 or 12 point stop loss on that last hit. It's part of the game. Trying to catch reversals is not a perfect science, but you have to take shots at it. Proper risk management will get you in the position, give you multiple shots at it. If I were to DCA into that move, I'd probably be down big right now. So we'll be patient. Yeah, so they did try to trap those traders there. I saw a lot of volume come back up. Let's take a quick look here. Plenty of traders being trapped in here 546, 750, 750, 543. A lot of red on that candle. And then we brought it up pretty fast. Okay. Still gonna wait patiently for it. I know there's gonna be a setup in and around this area. If we move away from this and then we have another dip in here, then I'll look to get into that trade. Going long on a paper trade, entry at 21,980. All right, papaya. Yeah, market's been pretty relentless this morning. ES is still pushing down. See if she's got one more push. All right, let's see what she does. Yeah, she had a super dump here. How many points was that from the open? It's gonna been like a good 200 points again. Question is, what's going to happen at 22,000? Will 22,000 get pierced? Will it not? Alright, so it did pop about a good 40 points on that last green candle in the 3 minute. Let's see if she has any more strength to continue going higher. She did have a pretty big move trying to rip away from those sellers. I don't know if she trapped enough people though. That's the question here. Did she trap enough people? She's still trying. All right, the level that we're looking at right now is 22,000 to the upside, and to the downside, possibly we retest these lows that we just had. Hard to say what she's going to do here. She is playing around a lot, being a bit of a Karen. Sellers are still pushing hard. Let's see if the buyers can step in and push this market higher. Let's see if there's any strength here, gentlemen. Strength would be appreciated. See if she's got what it takes. ES is also trying to make that push higher to yesterday's low. Market's a little bit unsure of itself still. And see if we get this push into the 22,000 range. Very important level for the market here. Very important. All right, we getting to 22. All right, we got 22. Let's see if we continue going here. So my current trade setup looks like, guys. Waiting for another pop here into 2016. And we got it. We just about to get it, maybe. All right, we got that one. And we're good. We're at 53,730 on the day. So that puts us $1,000 on the day here for this trading session on Take Profit Trader. So we just need $800 more. We just need $800 more, and we'll be okay. Everything's gonna be all right. Everything's gonna be all right. Everything's gonna be all right. Yeah, that was a bit of speculative. Not so much speculative, but it is what it is. Decent trade. I've just been sitting the entire morning. I've yet to take a trade. Well, I don't blame you, dude. There's days like that for me too. My stop loss is 953. Well, I don't think you tapped, did you? No, you're good. You didn't tap. You want to know where my stop loss was? My stop loss was right here at 21,940. After we got the push up, then I moved it down here to 964. But yeah, I've been giving my trades a bit of room to breathe. I was even gonna DCA into it if I had to, but I actually added a second contract when it came back into my original order area, which was, I think, right in here at the 70s or 80s. I was right in there somewhere where I took it, and then I added another one when it came back into it. One thing I've learned about DCAing is when you add to a DCA when it's going down, it's like catching a fallen knife. So I'd rather add to it when it's approaching my entry price again. I should have taken a real trade, says Green Papaya. Yeah, it's doing pretty good right now. I expected the 2020s, the 2220s. I took it off a little bit early because I do think there's another move down still. I do think there's another move down because of this. We haven't gotten the breakthrough here, and we have not gotten the breakthrough here. I mean, this could still give us a 100-point move on the way up and only give us that move somewhere in here. So I'm not saying that it's impossible for it to keep going higher. It can. But I'm waiting for my real entry. The one I'm going to hold on to is going to be one that has a move down after here, or a move down after here. Well, this one preferably. Then I'll look for the entry here. So I'm looking for something like this to break down. Obviously, it's going to have to be somewhere over here because we've already got green candles there. Same thing here. I want to see a red bar. I want to see a red bar coming into the delta like this, and then I'll know that the trap has been set. The trap could be being set now, but looks like we took profits right in time there. Not too bad. I can't believe I'm trading this thing up to 53. That's crazy. I mean, whatever, 54 and change. We learned our lesson, though. I didn't know Take Profit Trader had a 50% consistency. I did not know that, but now we do. It just makes us better traders in the future, right? That's all we can say. One second, guys. I'll be right back. We're getting that move back down, huh? She can't seem to make up her mind here. Can't seem to make up her mind, but we are still trucking on here, looking for another dip down, maybe into this 21,940s. Yesterday's low was just pierced, so there goes that. How big of a move was that? I don't even know how big a move that was, that trade that we just took. How many points was that? That had to be like 50 points, no? Let's see, we took it around here. We came up to here. Yeah, it was about 50 points. Well, that's not a bad trade at all. Yeah, pretty nice trade. All right. so far, we're just chilling. Just waiting here for that perfect setup. Maybe we get it, maybe we don't. Should have taken it on my live account. I wasn't even thinking. Take that back. I don't think I was 100% confident in that last trade. I was semi-confident. I saw things that I liked. I saw the trap traders. I saw the move, sharp move away from them. I saw that. So I figured we'd get a 50% retracement of this candle. And we did. And we had a nice little pump on it. But now we're giving some of that back, and that's fine. Just waiting for the right setup here now. Hopefully we pierced. Maybe we pierce back in here. I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe we just tap this wick again at 63 for those stop losses. We just don't know. We just don't know. Could be something. I don't know yet. We're just patiently waiting. Any music playing? No music playing, huh? There we go. You know, that's a good question for the day. Let's see. What would you do? Let's just make it a poll. What would you do with 5K Doge check? Trade, save, pay bills. All right, guys, check out the poll. Let me know what you guys would do here. Today's definitely a waiting game. Man, every day is a waiting game. Every day is a waiting game. More than you could ever believe on every front. Check out a quick video while we wait. How many of you guys would take this class? Who wants to take that class? Come on, Mr. RSI. Lessen the lines, guys. We got to lessen the lines. I quit my job a year ago, flew to Mexico, and I've been traveling full-time since. That sounds pretty awesome. But you got to lessen the lines first, guys. I like these pickups that Toyota has in other countries. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these. These are really cool. They're like $13,000. I'd buy one of those for sure. Every man needs one of these trucks. Anybody who owns a house needs a truck like this. Are we really getting the 5K? I don't know. Trump said that he would give the money back to taxpayers. I don't know if we are or not. I really can't say. I really can't say. What I can say is it looks like the market is trying to maybe push back up here. Maybe. You know. Perhaps. It's very possible. This she could be trying to here. Looks probable, possible, and likely all at the same time. Waiting for a little bit of a bigger pop down. This might be it. I don't know. Same thing here with this one. It looks like we got the move I was waiting on, but it's not as big as I would have liked to see. The move was not that big, but now it looks like she's pushing up higher. Could be something to look into here. Yeah, that 63 level held. 64 actually. Yeah, it looks like the whole market is trying to push back up higher. That includes the S&P trying to reach back for yesterday's low here. Wow, it's quite the pump here. Quite the pump, quite the pump. Just you wait and see, guys. Just you wait and see. It looks like it's got some potential to it here. Or does it? Or does it? Because we also have this brewing, which may not be the greatest. Come on, Mr. RSI. Possible for the reversal sell here to the downside. Took 1K profit, moved stop loss to 984. Good job, brother. Giving mine to the IRS. This is Cobra Max. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. I should probably do the same, as I always end up owing those suckers. All right, this area here was a previous absorption level here. As you can see with this purple candle, there might be resting orders here at 2220 that are still going to push this market down further. I would not be surprised. We have 1 pump, 2 pump, 3 pump, then the rollover. I don't know. I don't know. If I knew, I would be in a trade. But I do know this looks kind of fishy. This looks kind of suspect to me. First profit, not 1K. Paper trading up 6,500 in half an hour, if only. Wow, yeah. Paper trading is the best, man. Paper trading is very, very, very fun. The thing is, you got to convince yourself to trade like you paper trade. That is the ultimate level of becoming a good trader. Is if you can trade the way you paper trade, you've made it. Correct me if I'm wrong. What do you guys think? All right, we're going to have a little bit of a contention here at 22,000, I'm pretty sure. if you make it to be a great trader, is when you trade your account like a paper account. Agreed, says Jarek. Because I can show you my account right now, guys. My paper trading account right now. Oh man. My paper trade account is at 4.28 million, and I started this thing with 100 grand. But the ones that I've started with 100 grand are sitting at negative 4 million. So yeah. Is Trump speaking today? He speaks every day. Giga Rick says agreed. So let's do it, guys. Let's just trade these suckers like it's paper trade. Who's going to go 20 long right now? I saw something on Forex Factory about that. Yeah. I think I'm going to make a video about that. Let me jot that down. So I'm going to tell everybody the best way to trade is go full port with no stop losses and go for a walk. Come back later. See if your TP was hit. That is the best way. That is the only way. Yeah, I'm going to do some research on that and see what people have said about it, because it's very interesting. It's a very interesting perspective. I don't trust this move up, guys. I really don't. I think this move up might be capped here. In my opinion, though. You guys are obviously free to decide whatever you think, but I think this move might be capped here around this 20s level. Something tells me this may not be right. Something don't smell right. Only one way to find out, guys. Just be patient. Be patient. The emotions are different, yeah. You actually use, and I know you guys heard me say this before, but you actually use a different part of your brain when you paper trade as when you trade real money. A whole different part of your brain is engaged. Let's see, do you guys know what parts of your brain you're using? And it's not your medulla oblongata. For all you Waterboy fans. Alrighty, let's see what's going on here. She's looking kind of stuck in the mud. She's looking kind of stuck here, guys. Foosball is the devil. Careful with the rollover here, gents. It's more relaxed on paper, but when it's real funded, I am intense. Oh, for sure. You mean you're intense, more intense in a good way? Like you're more focused? Is that what you're referring to? Nerves. Yeah, so your amygdala is what you're using when you're trading real money, and that's your fight or flight part of your brain. And your prefrontal cortex is what you're engaging when you're in a paper trade. It's more rational thought. It's more of a rational thought. So that is what I've heard. I'm not a brain surgeon or a neurologist or any one of those cool scientific guys, but that's what I've read. But I think we can train ourselves to be more relaxed and be more cool when we have trades on. Tom the Trader talks about this a lot. A lot of good traders that have been in the market for a long time have talked about psychology when you're putting on a real trade versus a fake trade. And it really doesn't matter what the size of the trade is. You can be nervous with 1 micro. You could be nervous with 10 minis. I think you just, at the end of the day, just have to have a way to calm yourself. Because if you're not calm, you're going to overmanage the trade and you're going to get hurt. But with paper trading, we don't. Paper trading, we just let it run, baby. Take one more profit and moving stop loss to 992. Okay. Good for you, brother. I see you're crushing it here. I'm not ready for any more trades at the moment. I'm still just waiting for the market to show its hand. At the moment, it's still making a series of higher highs and higher lows. So I don't see any reason to get short yet or long. Either scenario. Doom, doom, doom. Doom, doom, doom. Let's see what the market decides to do here, whether it's rip faces off to the upside, or does she roll over here, come back for more stops? Is she that heavy that she wants to do that? Is it possible? Everything is possible. So which one will it be? Okay, I took that short here on my live account. Let's see if we can get a little push down. I'm waiting for somewhat of a significant push down, maybe down to like yesterday's low. Possibly. I'll let the delta tell me when it's done dumping. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and move her to break even now on my live account. Wowzers! Wowzers! Is she gonna keep going? Is she gonna keep going? Will she keep going? Or is that just a fluke? Which one is it? Which one is it? Are you fluky? Are you keep going? Let me know. Let me know. Don't be fluky, baby. Keep pushing to 60s. Push down to the 60s, or maybe the 40s, or the 50s. I'll take anything you got. Okay. This could be the move I was waiting for. For the longs, that is. All right, will she turn red here? That is the question. You guys stopped out. Okay. Reaching for the VWAP, maybe. Made a quick little 500 on that reverse. LOL. Sort of panic sold. Yeah, I'm still holding her just for a little bit more. See if... Oh no, what are you doing? You gonna come back? I really think she might come down to the 60s here. Or maybe not. She's looking kind of strong. She might keep going higher. She's a one dumper and done. One dumper ruin done. It looks like that's what it's going to be. Is that all the dumperoonie she needed? Let's see, let's see. Come on. In case you guys are wondering, this is what I'm trading right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I like trading my live account on my phone for some reason. What's up, Jess? How you doing, girl? Girl, don't forget to send me that info, man, for your account. Papaya, take care, brother. Be good. I think she has a potential to get down into the 50s here. I think. If she doesn't start showing me some weakness soon, I'm just going to take profits here. Yeah, I don't know. 22,000 seems to be a little contentious here. All right, will she make it to the 50s? Will she make it to the 50s? What's up, Publizi? Hey, Jess, I'm not sure if you saw my message on Discord, but we set up that Bible study for next Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern. All right, let's see if we get this little drop here. Will she give it to us? Will she give us this little drop here? I haven't saw it. Thanks for the telling me. Yeah, I created a little channel in Discord for us to discuss it. So if you get a chance, go into Discord and just let me know you're in. Everyone else too who want to be a part of it, just go in there and just give me a green light that you guys see it. That way you know that next Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern, we're going to be doing our first Bible study. We're going to be talking about this right here. Success in God's Eyes, a plan by Don Cousins. You do not know that those who run in a race all run, but only one receives the prize. Run in such a way that you may win that prize. 1 Corinthians 9:24. That's going to be the basis of our discussion. Let's see what she does here. Let's see what she does here, guys. I'm not sure what she's going to do yet, but we're waiting to see. So I am on this short here. On my, she might be getting stronger. Will she break out through the 22s? Will she lose it? Still holding her, guys. Can she get the push down? Can she get the push down? I think I'm going to take it off here. So she's pushing higher. But I still put a stop in place just in case it doesn't. If I have a trailing stop. So if it hits my trailing stop, then I'll make some money. If not, then it'll keep going down and I'll wait and be patient. We'll just let it play out the way it should. If she goes higher, then that means the longs are ready. If she doesn't, then that means the shorts are still in play. Something tells me the shorts might still be in play, but I'm about to get stopped, but not yet. Not yet. I got stopped. I still might be interested in the shorts still, but I made a couple bucks on that. I don't know if I like the structure yet. We did get the move down on this. I was hoping to sweep liquidity a little bit more. We did get this, which is something I was waiting on. This candle here doesn't look big enough yet, in my opinion. This one here on the 12-minute does not look big enough yet. It got scooped up pretty quickly though. I think she may I think she may retrace this. We'll see. I think I'm willing to take that. I might be willing to take that bet. We'll see in just a sec. Call me crazy. I just don't know if we are done dumping yet. Currently very busy. Just here, support channel. Oh, here to support the channel. Thank you. I will touch base with you on Discord later. Cool, man. Thank you, Jess. I really appreciate you. Yeah, I still don't know what to call it, guys. I just don't know. Don't trust her yet for the upside. Something tells me she's not done. I just took it again, the short, and I have my stop at break even. I'm already nicely in the green on this. Let's see if she does make it to the 50s this time. She's having absorption, but this thing could definitely fake me out. That's why I have my stop at break even. Yeah, I don't know why, but I'm still expecting this move lower. All right, stopped at a break even. Currently, all right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. Let's see what happens here. All right, so she's still holding that the structure here, higher highs, higher lows. Let's go ahead and look at this possible trend now. Let's see. Let's see what she's willing to give us. Yeah, she could pop here. Be careful. I was hoping for a move down, but she could easily pop here. Careful. She could easily pop. The VWAP for the S&P is at 61,112. I mean 6112. Sorry. And then we've got above us here. We've got our VWAP here at 22,087. Possible bear flag. Putting it down. Yeah, I think so. That's what I've been trying to trade is the bear flag here. I was trying to trade the bear flag. And that's kind of where I'm thinking it may go first. But I'm not too sure. I'm not too certain yet. Right now we're just getting a bunch of chop, and this is what you would expect here. Yeah, it looks like it is setting up to be just that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, she's breaking down. Possibly move down to the 950s here if we do lose it. I'm expecting that move on the 12 minute. I definitely expected that move on the 12 minute from what I'm seeing. We'll see though. It's dangerous to take a short at the bottom of the channel. Shorts should be reserved for these areas up here. Here you would want to think about possibly playing, you know, longs if you believe in it. Because of this right here, we had absorption here before. Not much, but it was some absorption. If it still holds this time around, then you're good. If not, then we could come to the 50s very easily, very quickly. That's what I was thinking too. Yeah. Great minds think alike. Putting it down. Okay. Whatever trade you take, guys, be careful. Yeah, this looks promising. Looks like some volume is coming into this. All right, can we get this move into the 50s? All right, careful here, gents. Ladies and gents, be careful here. She could reverse back up with the quickness. If she reverses here, guys, it could be a pretty quick move to the VWAP. If not, then we'll see. Okay. Yeah, I don't think she holds here. Move down to the 50s, probably inevitable. All right, let's see if we get this move here on the 12 minute. See if we get more volume. We need more volume on the 12 minute in order to put in a low. All right, guys, let's see if she has it in her. If she pumps, she could rip faces off. If she dumps, she could go down to 950s easily. Maybe possibly even lower. See what she has in store for us. One second, guys. All right. Let's see what the market has in store for us here. Let's see what she has in store. I'm still waiting for a bit more of a dump here before clarifying things to the downside. Something like this is what I'm hoping for. But she looks like she's still here trying to take orders. Still trying to rip higher. All right. Yeah, this move to the upside might not be ready yet. That's what I'm assuming. But what do I know? I'm just some guy. Some wild and crazy guy. Let's see if we get that little push here to the 50s. Yeah, we need some kind of follow through in either direction here. Either we head down to the 50s or we come back higher. This sideways stuff nobody really appreciates. And it looks like she may want to come higher now. We'll see. We'll see if that's actually what she wants. Could be ready for a little pop here. Oh, now she goes down, huh? I see what she did there. She just swept a little liquidity, but I'm not sure if she's done. Looks like there hasn't been enough people trapped here on this move. Don't think she'll be happy with just this move here. Let's see. Hard to figure out what she may want here, guys. Think she still pushes down further. It's kind of what it looks like. She's been very heavy to the downside. Very heavy. Looks like a stair step down. God only knows. See, swept the liquidity from 960. So let's see if that's all she needed for the upside. I doubt it. But again, what do I know? Yeah, this market's a bit slow here. And slow and choppy. She could reverse, but I don't know. I don't really see it yet. A very lazy reversal if she does do one. $960 did have a level where we just kind of bounced from. It did have these wicks down here before. We came right into them. That's the only thing that's keeping me kind of optimistic on this move back up, but I don't love it. We'll see if she pushes higher here, guys. I don't know. Maybe so, maybe no. Anyone's guess. I did take the long on this with my live account. Not that I love it, but I'm just trying to see if maybe we can get back up to 22,000. Maybe even this right here. Let me show you guys. Maybe even this, which is right at 2208. I think that's where my TP is currently. I'm at 2211, so I'm going to shift that down a bit. See if we get that push into that. I like this little pop that we got. This little pop was pretty good because it shows that we're trying to get away from these traders. Let's see if we can maneuver our way up to this 22,007. Kind of what I have in mind here. Let me show you guys what I have on. My TP is right here at the intersection. And my stop loss is right here at this candle. That's the trade I currently have on. Yeah, I'll show you guys. I don't know if you can see that. This is the trade. Let's see if we can get it. She's having a little resistance right now at 22,000. Expected, obviously. Let's hope we get that little final push up into 2207. I still don't love the move. Obviously don't love the move because we haven't really come down to take out some levels that I was watching before. My entry's at 21. 21. I'm about to get stopped on a break even here, possibly. Where's my entry? 21,977. 21,977 is right here. She's showing me some mercy at the moment, but I don't know if she'll continue being that kind. But 21,977 is currently where I have my stop. Here. So as long as we stay above here, we make it to here, I'll be happy. If not, then I'll get stopped out here, break even. Still alive, but probably gonna get taken out pretty soon. And I think we're gonna get taken out. Yeah, we're out. Okay. Let's see. Don't know what to call it here. This price action is pretty crazy. I think Trump is speaking in a minute. And Apple just said they are moving factories to the U.S. Ooh, that's big for the U.S. That's big. That is big. Apple might just pump right now. Well, thank you for that. Appreciate it. See what the market here decides to give us, if anything at all. Still expecting a big move down, but we could hit this. We could get this push into the 2207 level first. I got back into my long here, and I'm green. I'm gonna leave my stop right here. Where I have this stop here, that's where I have my stop in real life. I should have just moved that one, but that's where I have my stop. Right underneath that candle. Okay. We could get this push, huh? Apple says they're moving their factories to the U.S. Huh? New day, new lessons learned. Absolutely. Thank you, Casey. I've never seen your name here before, but thank you for joining in. And if your information is accurate, I really appreciate that. Let me see if I can find that information on Forks Factory. All right, today, economic forecast or tentative, core retail sales. I don't see anything about Trump speaking, but that could happen at any point. Let's go into the news. Let me go into Twitter and see if there's anything there, or X, if there's anything there. Let's see. Apple will build plants in the U.S., not Mexico. Trump says Apple is shifting plants because of tariffs. Okay. Trump just announced that Apple will be building factories in America, not Mexico. That was 3 minutes ago. All right. So it looks like there is some truth behind this. Thank you for that. I really appreciate the information. Casey? Sir, been here a bit, but it's been a few weeks. Okay. Yeah, I appreciate that, Casey, for sure. What's up, Austin? Big sales coming? Yeah, I think they are, man. We're waiting for a big dump here. That's why I'm thinking taking a trade, taking this trade only up to 2207. Check out the initial balance indicator. It helped me a lot recently. It keeps bouncing off of them. I tried to use the initial balance indicator, but I couldn't get it to work properly. Which one are you using? Which one are you using? Let me see if I have initial balance. Which one do you use? Because I was looking for it too. Is it this one? Just the IB? This one seems to be the most popular one. I don't even see it. Where is it? Is that it? Initial balance. Is it right here? I mean, this is like a 15-minute initial balance, I think. You have to adjust it, don't you? Set mode, trade of 8. Set mode, initial balance, custom extension, and trade of 8. All right, let me see. Inputs, 60-minute initial balance, style. All right, this is fine. Plots background. Okay. Was this really the initial balance? I mean, it's 12. This was 9:30, and this was, yeah, we're 10:30 should be down here. How come it 10:30 was all the way here? Why is initial balance up there? See, that's why I stopped. I didn't use them because I couldn't get them to show correct information. All right, I'm still in this long. Hoping for a move up here. So far, she's looking a bit standoffish. Oh, I don't like the moves on that. I don't like this setup here. I don't like that at all. I'm taking it off. I'm taking it off. I don't like it. This setup here on the 3-minute looks ugly. This delta here does not look good at all. This delta here did not look good. I could be wrong, but I took it off because I just don't feel like giving money away today. Don't like this here one bit. I think we still need another dump. We'll see. All right. We'll sit tight. I got out of that long. I'm going to probably get out of this one here too because I'm not in it. Yeah, 60-minute, 22.090 is IB today. Set your market open time at 9:30. Okay, I'll play around with it today. I know I'll probably have to adjust the settings. That's probably the reason why I haven't gotten it to work right. So I probably will do that. Okay. Yeah, I took the short instead because I didn't like the setup on the long. If we can get this move down to 950, that'll be good. I already moved my stop to break even. This is the trade I'm in here. I got in at 985. I'm looking to ride it down to about 950s. Maybe we get it, maybe we don't. Man, can't get her to go in my direction for longer than 10 points. Let's see if she gives it up. Okay, she's giving it up so far. And our TP is at 959. Thank God we had that loan. Just move my stop loss into profit. Let's see if we can get this push. Let's see if we can get this push. She's a pushing, guys. She's pushing. She's pushing hard. Come on, push it a little harder, baby. Okay, she's going. She might go to this 953 level. I have my take profit at 952. I think we had 950 yesterday's low. This consolidation is crazy. Yeah, it is. It truly is something else. All right, she's about to TP here, hopefully. And do we have a TP? Come on, just push a little more. Push a little more. Okay, that was a pretty nice push there. Yeah, we just missed TP here. Come on, baby. You're not going to take it? We took it now. That was a nice dump, man. I saw that CVD here, guys, and I told you, like, this little pattern here, it is definitely something to keep your eyes on. Definitely something, guys. All right, good, man. We are up to, oh, man, we're crushing it, man. We're crushing it on our live account. We've had a lot of green days on our live account, man. I'm really beyond happy with my trading on my live account. Just relaxed trading, guys. That's really all I can tell you is what's changed for me the most is just relaxed, patient trading. I have my strategy. I'm sure you guys have yours, but it works so much better when you're just relaxed. When you're just like, all right, whatever. I'll just wait. I'll wait. And then you wait and it comes and then you're like, oh, that wasn't so hard. That was not that hard. And trust your gut. I like a choppy market. I do too. Choppy markets are okay. Give me a range to play with and don't interfere with it. I'm good. Don't interfere with that chop and I'll be able to trade it. But sometimes the chop doesn't chop and the chop just sometimes it chops for a little bit, then it trends. Okay. I mean, this is something I'm not 100% in love with it yet. I really would like something bigger than this drop we just got right here on the 12-minute. I'd like something stronger, possibly even breaking the lows here. Maybe to this level right here would be nice. To the 21,900s. 21,900 would be amazing. Austin trades off monthly highs and lows. Oh, look at that. Where are we right now as far as the monthly highs and lows go? You're a beast, really? A month? So this is our monthly high. So this our monthly high right now is this month. We're talking about the month of February. So right now we have 314, and our low is at 29.58, and we're currently right now. Okay, so we got room to go down, huh? Is that what you're referring to? We're not even at the 50 yet. That's a good strategy. I like that. That's a pretty good strategy, man. We're not even at the 50. So we could have a lot more room to go down. Yes, looking at monthly, we could get down to 21,870. Yeah, I was thinking 900 today. We can get down to 21,900. We have last week's low here at 21,421. Right now we're just floating around yesterday's low. Lots of stops at 21,940. Okay. I suspect this move still will move further down. If it doesn't, then we could reverse nicely from this area. We have to see how the price action moves though. ES is looking stronger now than NQ. NQ is reaching its daily lows. ES still has a way to go. That's what makes me think that we could possibly still push down further, possibly to that 21,900 zone. Thank you guys for the likes this morning. I really appreciate it. If you guys are looking to get some cheap evals right now, Buonox is running a great sale. 91% off evals. That would make your evaluation $15. And you can trade it on Project X. You don't have to do Rhythmic. And it's a one-day pass. So, pretty good accounts to have. The 21 EMA on the daily and 50 IBL extension most meet at 21,895. Ah. Yeah, I have that number on my screen too, 21,900. You know what's funny about that is that that's a pitchfork line, and that pitchfork line has been working. These pitchfork lines have been working magically. Buonox has Project X. Yeah, for sure, Mark. They do, and it's so fun to trade on. I'm in US 30 sells right now, down to 43,420. Says Austin. Really? You're taking a short on the Dow? Good for you, my brother. I'm sure it's working out nicely. All right, I'm just keep an eye on the screen here, guys, and see if we can find anything that's worth trading. At the moment right now, I would say that we are still very heavy. We could reverse. It's hard to say at the moment. We have a falling wedge here. You know the deal with falling wedges. Ooh. Looks like she's continuing her trek down. Oh no, she's a slippery one. Oh, she gave us that slippery. She gave it to us. Wow. That was the move. That was the move we're waiting on. US 30, this is wild. Yeah, this is wild, for sure. Wow. What a dump. This level can hold something though. This is the dump I was waiting for. I think we have a gap fill down here at 818. Yeah, this is the dump that I was waiting on right here. Let's see if we get some pump here. See if she give a little pump. All right, she is trying to get back up here to the 920s. Let's see if she can make it. She may do a little more chop here first. That was one of the biggest drops of the day here. Okay, now she's looking like she's getting us some more life back into this move. Yeah, it looks like a lot of profit taking today. For sure, a lot of profit taking. All right, she's trying to push here. Trying to push. With Buonox, do you still select Rhythmic and then they use you to Project X? There's a section at the bottom for Project X. When you go to the bottom, when you scroll down, it asks you if you want Rhythmic or Project X. If you don't see it, you can just email support and then they'll switch you over to Project X. That's what Storm had to do. One of our traders here. All right, see what this market has in store for us here. Is she going to just bounce back from this area, or is she going to play around a bit? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's pretty cheap, man. 15 bucks. You can rack up, and then if you don't pass them, just leave them alone. Don't cancel them, because they'll renew at 15 bucks, and they may not be at 15 bucks ever again. You know, they take these sales on and off, and sometimes they don't make them as good. So I would just keep them. I keep all my $15 ones. All right, looks like she's trying to push here. All bear, baby, says Austin. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what's going on. It's a pretty nasty move here. Pretty nasty. I don't think she goes back in a straight line. I think we are going to have some chop here before we do anything. Is there a coupon code? Yeah, Bill, it's down in my description. Just go to the Buonox and you'll see the coupon code for it. Make sure you pick the 50K option 1. So this is what I'm going to wait for to get into a long here, guys. I'm going to wait for this. I'm going to wait for a another dip down here, because we set a very high anchor here in Delta. So I'm going to wait for another breakthrough Delta here, something that might look like this. As far as Delta candles go, a red one. I'm going to wait for another one like this, and then I'll be more confident in entry. Right now it looks like she is trying to take off, and that's good. And we got exactly what we wanted to see here, which was nice. We got the breakdown. Trap set. Now she moves in one direction or the other. Let's see how many traders were trapped on this move. This particular candle. So we had a significant number, 416 here, 100. Let me check it here. The delta was negative 1800 on this, which was big on this 3-minute candle here. Yeah, mega dumpathon today. Okay, let's see if we get to move down here to retest this 21,900 area. No worries, Bill. All good, guys. Appreciate you guys being here and appreciate the likes too. We've got 31 viewers and 13 likes. It's like the inverse of each other. That's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. All right, let's see what the market has in store. The market is due for a little bit of a chin check here back down to 21.9, hopefully. 800 on the US 30. Look at you, brother. You're on fire. Yeah, let's show Austin some love here. Good job, Austin. Some confetti for you, my friend. Yep. So it is 12:30, guys, and usually we don't get that much action at 12 o'clock. We don't get that much action at lunchtime, but today is a different story. We're getting absorption here from sellers right here with this purple candle showing up here on our 3-minute. That is telling us the sellers are absorbing the bulls right now. Sellers are absorbing the bulls. And because of that, that could lead to seller exhaustion. We just got to play the waiting game. Yeah, this is either leading to seller exhaustion, or this means that sellers still have more in it, and they're going to keep dumping this thing even lower. Now, if we lose this level, next level that we see could be can somebody confirm if we have a gap fill at 815? I think we have a gap fill at 815. Call me crazy, but I think we have a gap fill there. ES is looking like it possibly have a reversal in it. NQ, not really yet. She is not giving it up, huh? She's not giving it up yet, guys. All right, so quite the dumpathon we're having here, but this could flip on a dime to be bullish, because it always looks the most bullish. I'm sorry, it always looks the most bearish when it's getting bullish, and vice versa. So the more bearish it looks, that's what they want everyone to think. That's when they're trapping us. That's when they're trapping. That's when they're setting their traps. That's when they flip it on us. Okay, the ES is about to sweep the lows again. NQ still has a little bit ways to go. She's still looking heavy. Still looking heavy. Yeah, the waiting game is exactly what we got to play. If it takes long, it takes long. If not, you know, whatever. Careful with these pops. These are bull traps. You gotta play 4D chess with these guys sometimes. Apple is ripping. So we might get a turnaround very soon. How about the rest of the market? Starting to see something I might like. Markets are relentless right now. I have a feeling today can turn into a ripper because of the news with Apple, but we'll see. Yeah, she's still dumping, guys. Be careful. Keep in mind that we got that gap fill at 815. I don't know if that's where the market's headed. It's really hard to say. Oof. The ES just got down to its average daily range. Market's still pretty heavy. So patient and wait. All right. I'm going to try these. Wow, she's still dumping, huh? See if she has what it takes. All right, see if we get the selling, the buying in here. Let's see if we can get this buying continuation. Let's see if we can get it. Still having heavy pressure. Let's see if buyers have what it takes to at least get to 900. Facing a lot of resistance. Market is trying. She is facing resistance. Looks like she may want to reach this 900 level next, but we'll see if she can. This is a perfect time to control your emotions, guys. Perfect time to control those emotions. If we get the let's see if we can get the 900 here. 900's around the corner. Okay. Let's see what's next. See if we can break through. If we can break through the 900, 928 looks pretty good. Just going to be patient here and wait. Beautiful. Finally, I can start averaging into longs on micro. Yeah, maybe you can. Maybe you can. Are we gonna get stopped out here? Might get stopped out. I'm still safe. At the moment, I'm still safe. Gonna stop me out. Stop out. Still like the loan though. Relentless selling here. Let's see what she does. Let's see if she can move through this 900s. Can she move to the 900s? Absorption is real. See if she can get some kind of a push here. No, nothing yet. Oof. Nice to spill here. Wow, what a spill, what a spill. Oh, there's so much selling pressure, that's crazy. Unbelievable right now with this price action. See if we can get a push up higher. This trend is nasty. Oh, she's relentless. Even with the Apple news, huh? She's relentless. See if the strength comes in here. Let's see. Come on, market, what you got? Well, what a relentless sell-off here. Market's trying to catch a break here, see if we can get a move back up. 21,000 says a few people here saying 21,000. We got lower levels. Let's see if she can give us a little bit of a break for a minute. Or does she continue to go lower? Let's see. See if we can exercise our patience here. Okay, she's moving up. Buyer's getting relentless here. All right, let's see if we can get a little bit more of a push here. It is getting kind of rough. Market needs to break through this trend line. It's being held down pretty heavy. She's being held down pretty heavy right now. She's not giving up. She has not heard a bell. Wow. It's crazy. Oh, this is crazy. So you can't even catch a little bit of a break here. Sellers absorbing buyers massively here. Oh man, market's selling off hard. Oh yeah. Crazy. Crazy dump. Wow. Shows no mercy, huh? Is this going to be a 5% dump day? Oh my God, it's crazy. That is crazy. Market's insane today. What a strong sell-off. This is crazy. I don't even know how much we're down today, but we're down a lot today. What is that, 300-400 points? Probably like 300 points. We're almost at the gap fill. We're almost at the gap fill. Up 1K. And I just got in. Now sells it broke the key level. Yeah, it did break. It did break pretty hard. Yeah, there are no buyers, man. Actually, there's a lot of sellers because every time the buyers are buying, sellers are selling. Pushing. Sellers are still outweighing buyers. I don't think the reversal is going to come. There's just no reversal to be had. That is insane, guys. Insane. This move today has been nuts. Wow. Talk about your stampede of sellers. Some more down into the reversal? Yeah, that sounds about right. she cannot break this 850. She cannot break this 850 level. As much as she tries, sellers are just pounding right now with sell orders. This is insane. Wow, I haven't seen a sell-off this hard in a long time. If I would have kept that short open from earlier, this would have been a different story today. Unreal, unreal, unfathomable. Straight line down. Okay, this is the new normal. These are the kind of days we have to look forward to. All right, come on. Nothing still. More down. Unbelievable. The gap fill is right there. Would you think it made more sense just following a trend? I mean, look at how much money. Yeah, it would have made more trend, but hindsight is 2020. Hindsight is the perfect way to trade. Yes, the delta was looking really strange today. Wow, this is just nuts. All right, looks like it's going to fill the gap. Gap is filled at 815. And she is not thinking about flying. She's not even moving. This is some sort of a significant level here. Let's see if it has an effect on the market. Let's see if it has any pop whatsoever. Look at the CVD. Yeah, this is just down forever type of delta. Yeah, now it's obvious. Obviously, I'm not going in anymore. I'm not going into any longs. The market will tell us when it wants to reverse at this point. Seems like chasing reversals can be difficult. Oh, is it ever? That's why you got to use risk management. I mean, if I'm wrong, I want to get out of it quickly, but I don't keep taking it over and over, is what I'm saying. All right, we've already executed a very big level here. The gap fill. The gap fill here, and hopefully we bounce from here. Let's see if we get some signs of life. If not, we keep going down. Next target could be the extremity of our pitchfork, which would be pretty crazy. Unbelievable price action. Yeah, I mean, what did Trump say? What did Trump say? He spooked the markets for sure. Whatever he said did definitely did spook the markets. This is not a normal day whatsoever. I think somebody here was saying that the price action was looking funny today too, and I was agreeing. I was like, yeah, it looks kind of weird. Trends always seem to go a lot longer than people think. It's like one impulse up, one impulse down, and traders already start looking for the reversal. Yeah, true. Buyers are entering. They just keep getting trapped. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I see it. There's so much selling going on. So much selling. So much selling. Let me look at where the levels are here. Looks like the levels are only to the downside, 21.8. It just keeps inching its way down. All right, well, it is getting to be that time, guys, around 1 o'clock, so I do have to get going. Gotta hit the gym and then pick up my daughters, but be careful in this market today, guys. This thing is relentless, man. Wow, I have not seen a dump like this in a long, well, maybe since Jerome Powell dumped the markets a couple weeks back, but this is even worse because it's slow. It's a slow dump. So yeah, be careful, guys. Check out the charts month to month, and it cycles back to a high. Yeah, the month to month chart made a lot of sense right now. But yeah, take care, guys. I will see you on Monday. This can possibly go to the previous week low. Yeah, possibly. I will see you guys on Monday. Take care. Be safe. Trade safe. And yeah. Well,